Take a slow breath, pick up any pen, and let's draw a few gentle lines together. This isn't about perfection. It's about giving your mind a tiny moment of peace. Let's start with creating a frame. Draw a loose square, then fill it with soft, wobbly shapes. I'll guide you through it. We'll let those lines bend naturally. No two shapes need to match. Now let's start drawing a soft floral shape. Draw a single petal, fill it in, then draw an aura around it. Next, draw a larger petal shape aura around them. Then, draw lines from the center like sun rays. Here I'm rounding out the edges. This drawing involves rounding out all the sharper corners and pointed intersections. This helps us find calm as we round out all of the harsher edges. We'll do it again when we draw our second pattern. Next, we repeat by drawing more petals and tucking more petals in between. Let them overlap like a gentle layered bouquet. You're joining thousands of people who use these calming patterns to unwind, focus, and breathe again. Now let's start drawing lines for the background. Let each line meet another line gently, like little calm connections forming on the page. We'll now round out all the corners and intersections. Every shape is just a softened moment stitched together. Notice how your thoughts get quieter when your lines slow down. When you start to focus, start getting all those overwhelming thoughts out of your mind just to focus on your calm, meditative drawing. Let's add some shading to bring our art piece to life. Let's add a little shadow where the shapes meet. Soft shading brings quiet depth, like the moment the world finally slows down. Here, I'm putting a shadow on the outside of our floral corner piece. See how the shadow turns the drawing dimensional? It's like the whole pattern starts to breathe. your finishing touches. Tiny sparkles, extra petals, a soft rim of shadow. You just turned a few minutes into calm. You gave yourself a short pause and you made something beautiful. If this brought you even a breath of peace, I'd love for you to stay. When you like or subscribe, YouTube shares this calm with someone else who might need it. I made a beginner playlist filled with gentle patterns just like this, slow, relaxing, and perfect for winding down after a busy day. Did you draw with me or just watch to relax? Either way, it's perfect. If life has been a lot lately, come back here anytime. The calm is always waiting.
A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.